One of the cases that I'm working on is with regard to a woman who had a very bad fall on a sidewalk. And the reason she had this fall was because a do-it-yourself landlord. And what this person did who owned this property is that he extended the drain pipe from the roof to flow onto the street. And how he did that was he had a drain pipe coming through the grass, but when it got to the sidewalk, the water, the drain spout ended, and the water from the drain spout would go on the sidewalk and then onto the street. What happened was that very early in the morning, my client was going to work. It was maybe 7:45 in the morning. And the weather the day before was in the 40s. The weather at nighttime went down to the 20s. So while she was walking to her vehicle, she stepped on the patch of sidewalk where the water drained. Of course, it was a sheet of ice. And she fell, and she had extensive injuries as a result of this fall. What caused her to fall? The landlord, who was trying to save a few bucks, did not properly have the water from the drain pipe go into a sewer. What he had it going to was right upon the sidewalk, and of course that was going to freeze. So my client, being very unsuspecting, fell. She suffered a fractured wrist as a result of this, and also she suffered torn ligaments in her leg. She was out of work for 3 months and still today has residuals. I was able to resolve the case. However, the case would never have happened but for the landlord trying to save a few dollars and negligently trying to divert his water onto the street versus into a proper sewer.